Welcome to another farming video. Now from you see me here, you know what time it is. Just showing you guys the melon. I think it's about on 7 week right now, and they're putting on fruit. Nice fruit right here. And then you have melon the size of a golf ball. Then you have these smaller ones like a marble. So right now I'm struggling through the drought. I have to be hand wetting all of these, so that's what I've been doing throughout this melon crop, watering. And I mean, they're not looking so 100, but the drought is showing on them. And you have some that's also flowering, still putting on flower. So they're beginning to lock up right now, so probably by next week the entire ground will be closed up with melon vines. And I plant one seed per vine. So these are the one that I had replanted earlier on, so they haven't started to run off as yet. So that's it for now, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on all socials at Suzie_Jamaica vibz. Yeah, bye bye.